morning came too quietly, a suitcase waiting by the door. Your eyes keep trying not to cry, like we've never been here before. The train will leave in just a while, but time is moving way too fast. I'm smiling just to comfort you, but I know this smile won't last. If you ever miss me tonight, look up at the same pale moonlight. I'll be somewhere far away, but your name is where I'll stay. This letter that I couldn't say is written in my heart today. Even if the road is long, I'll come back where I belong. The station feels so cold today. Your hand is shaking next to mine. So many words we cannot say as we run out of borrowed time. You tell me I should not worry, that days will pass like falling rain. But in your quiet, trembling voice, I can hear your hidden pain. If you ever miss me tonight, look up at the same pale moonlight. Different skies above my head, still the same words left unsaid. This letter that I couldn't send will find you in the silent wind. Even if the years go by, you're the reason that I try. One last wave before I go, one last smile you'll never show. When I return someday again, we'll laugh about this.